is MS Word tables. So please write down the heading. Using tables in MS Word. Using tables in MS Word. Tables are used to organize content in a page and also used to present data present data in tabular format. Present data in tabular format. Insert table, then select the number of columns and rows needed and create it. Simple as that. You can go here, insert menu, table. Here you can select how many columns, how many rows. Let's say I need 4 columns and 3 rows. Here's my table. If I want to move the table to somewhere, you can see here the 4-headed arrow. Using that you can move. You can move to another place. Or you can just press enter here and it will be automatically moving down. If you want to resize this, you can go to the board line and just click on the line and drag it. By doing that, you can resize. Or you can see here, when you click on the table, there are some tabs appearing here. These are called tabs. You can drag from these tabs. That is another way of resizing. Here, you can drag from these tabs. That is another way of resizing. Or you can click and drag. Just click and drag. Here, the horizontally, vertically also the same. Click and drag and you can resize. Click and drag, you can resize. Okay, I'm going to type small table. So where you want to do this as a homework. Homework. Create the following tables.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you can ask. Please ask your question so I can hear you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, you can ask the question. Who's this? I think you cannot hear me. That's the reason, maybe, right? Okay, if you can hear me, so here, please ask your question. I can hear. So maybe you'll be able to see the screen. Okay, no response. I'm shifting back to the lesson.
Sir, screen record එක අපිට ගන්න පුළුවන්ද?
පුළුවන්.
Sir, record කරපු.
Can. True Ed module. True Ed module LMS. You can get this through Ed module LMS. Right? Please contact Ms. Chaturika. If you have Ed module problems, please contact her and she will help you
Okay,
getting
sir.
this
Thank you, sir.
information, right? He will help you. She will help you getting this information. So see how I'm doing, right? Name, class, and grade, and media. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type some names. Let's say ICTS and grade is grade 8 and medium is English. And let's type another one.
Is wrong.
Yes.
Medium spellings are wrong.
Yes. Yes, Litumi song. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to format this. I'm going to just select this, and I just need bold and center align for the headings and increase the font size. And then just want to change the background color to blue color and change the font color to white color. So likewise, I have done some changes and click that. I want to change the borders and I need border.
We have to make this table, right?
Yes, you have to create this table. Now itself you can do this, or you can see the recording and try to do this, right? So that is the next way. So lines, and I'm going to change borders and shading. Just line, I'm going to change the line color, line sizes, apply to the table, and line color, I'm going to change that to, okay, let's say dark green, dark blue. Okay, you can say, right? Please create the following table, and there's another one. So you can take screenshot now, because here the second table I have already created that. Please try to create these two tables as a homework. Maybe you will be facing problems because I have not explained how to do this. So you will get issues, problems. So then what to do? Sorry?
So what's the second one?
Second one is this green color one. Second one is green color one, right? Just
So we want to make the green color grid also.
Yes, you have to create this table and this table both. So this is actually the representing data in the tabular format. The second one is aligned. So arranging the content in the page, not just to show in the tabular format, it's arranging the content. So this is arranging the content and showing the tabular format. Okay. Right. So this you can do as a homework. Right. This you can do as a homework, and there are different formatings under this table design. You can go to the table design. You can see all these things, right? Pages, borders, border colors, border paint, border style, and here you can change with shading, means you can still change the fill color, and even the fill colors you can apply gradients. Means here let's change the lithumis one. I'm going to drag lithumis cell and just add a shading and more colors. I'm going to add, okay, I'm going to add so this is how you should change the shading, and even the border you can change, right? Even the so content here, everything inside this you can just fill, right? Not the shading. So that can be done by going to the home ribbon, and you can see the fill. Fill can be changed here. You can go to the more colors and add a color to the fill. Then entire cell will be filled. Right? Fills, shadings, right? So can you insert a picture? Can you insert a picture to a table? Yes, it's possible. If you want, you can insert the picture to this. Just go to insert, picture, picture from file, and just double click and you can insert a picture. And picture will come into the table set. You can reduce the size. Oh, Just reduce the size and you can see. So similar to that, you can even insert pictures to the cell. When you change this table, the picture is also moving. When you reduce the size, increase the size, you can see what's happening. Okay, just try to create these two works, two tables as a homework. Right? Just try to do these two as a homework. Next day, we will be discussing the remaining part in your book. So that is according to your book. We have these sections remaining now. So let me show your book quickly. And this is grade 8 reading book. This can also be downloaded from the Ed module. If you don't have this with you. So please don't write in your textbook, right? Textbooks or textbook workbook because that you are going to write in the school. මම දන්නේ නැහැ ඉතින් ස්කූල් කවද පටන් ගන්නේද ඒවා මොකුත් ඒ සමහර ස්කූල්ස් වල ඔන්ලයින් යනවනේ. ඒතර ස්කූල් එකේ කරද්දි ලියන්න, ක්ලාස් එකේ කරද්දි ලියන්න එපා. ඔයාලා වෙනම පොතක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න එක. And here, yes, in this lesson, yeah, this is word processing. We already learned this toolbar, done, finish. Already learned this, finished. Already learned this, it's also done. Now we have actually already learned this as well. Inserting pictures, shapes and text boxes we have to do. And we have this part remaining. The paragraph formatting, bullets and shading is done. Numbering, bullets and paragraph formatting is remaining. Paragraph formatting, numbering, bullets. එතකොට 1 2 3 4 5. Shapes and text boxes. Shapes also we have done. In the layouts, we have done this. Text box, word art, and this tree. So that's all. After that, the lesson is over. Right? And next day, we will be starting programming lesson. So after finishing that remaining part, next we'll be starting that lesson. Okay, then. So hopefully you have taken the screenshot of this, right? Screenshot එකක් දැම්ම නේද මේකේ? ෆොටෝ එකක් දාගත්තා නේද? If not, I'll send this to the group. Please do this. I'll send this to the group. If not, you can see this. Then see you all next week. Good night.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night.